So this is a very useful keyboard feature that is available on almost all Android phones these days, but I'm just going to show you exclusively for Samsung phones. It is also available on iOS. It is also available for your Google Pixel and other smartphones, right? So basically, whenever you're talking to someone, let's say on Telegram or on WhatsApp or any of the messaging application, let's say, right? I'll just open up a specific message in this case. Whenever we want to type something, we just type in their name or whatever else we prefer, but this process is actually very lengthy because sometimes you just want to be able to type without having to use your hands or without having to use your fingers, right? So what do you do in that case? In that case, you can turn on a feature called swipe typing or glide typing, which means that let's say I want to type in hello, I'm just going to swipe like this and it's going to type the hello automatically. Then I'll just select this, and then you can see it is actually mostly accurate as well, because the more you type, the more experience and the more feature this keyboard is actually going to learn from you. To enable this feature, once you open the Samsung keyboard, you can just click on this gear icon to go to Samsung keyboard settings. And when you go to keyboard settings, over here you'll find other options such as more typing options and so on, and under it you'll find swipe, touch and feedback. Just tap on it, and then here you can see keyboard swipe controls. All you need to tap on it and then select swipe to type. Now you can also actually turn on cursor control, by the way, but I personally like swipe to type, right? Now when you come back this time, and then whenever you want to type something, as you can see, you can just swipe over it and then it's going to be typed in automatically just like this, and it is 99% of the time it is very accurate. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.